Starting a YouTube channel in 2025, but don't want to spend a fortune on gear? Good news, you don't have to. In this video, I'll share the 5 best budget-friendly gadgets for YouTubers, all available on Amazon. Let's dive in. 1. Sony ZV-1F. The Sony ZV-1F is the go-to budget camera for creators. It shoots crisp 4K, has a wide lens perfect for vlogging, and features like an autofocus and product showcase mode. It's small, reliable, and designed for YouTubers. You get pro quality without paying pro camera prices. 2. FIFINE K688 microphone. Audio is just as important as video, and the FIFINE K688 delivers studio quality sound on a budget. It's a dynamic mic, so it reduces background noise and works by USB or XLR. Great for voiceovers, tutorials, and podcasts. This single upgrade can instantly make your channel feel professional. 3. NEEWER 2-pack LED lights. Lighting makes the biggest difference in video quality. The NEEWER 2-pack LED kit is affordable, adjustable, and comes with stands and diffusers. Use one as your key light and the other as a fill or background light for instant depth and polish, even if you're filming on your phone. 4. ULANZI MT-16 Mini Tripod. Next is the ULANZI MT-16 Mini Tripod. It's lightweight, sturdy, and doubles as a selfie stick. With its ball head and cold shoe mount, you can quickly attach a mic or light. Perfect for desk filming, product shots, or travel vlogs. Small, affordable, and super versatile. 5. DJI Osmo Mobile SE. And finally, the DJI Osmo Mobile SE gimbal. If you shoot on your phone, this gives you buttery smooth, cinematic shots with 3-axis stabilization. Active Track 6.0 follows your subject, and it folds up for portability. A must-have for smooth b-roll or walk and talk vlogs. Quick setup combo. Here's how to combine them. ZV-1F on a ULANZI tripod, FIFINE mic for audio, NEEWER lights for your scene, and the Osmo Mobile SE for smooth b-roll. With just these 5 budget gadgets, you'll have a setup that looks and sounds professional. You don't need flagship gear to start creating in 2025. Invest smart, start small, and upgrade as you grow. Which gadget would you pick first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more creator tips.